Good morning, everyone. This is Prem's Crypto Market Update for October 27th, 2018. Welcome, everyone. Market is still going sideways. Market cap is now at 209 billion, about the same yesterday, 209. But the volumes were yesterday at 8.5 billion. Today we could see that nearly at 9.5 billion, but still we're seeing very, very low volumes. So if we look at the top 10, we can see hardly any change. Something I wanted to point out, last week we could still see Tether at 98 on CoinMarketCap, and now we can see basically it's come to 99 already. So it's coming close back to the $1 mark. So what are the coins which have done very well in the last 24 hours? We can see Electroneum up 26%, Deutsche Coin up 11%, Dropper up 8%, and Polymath up 6%. Alright, the coins which have done less are Raven, 15% up, Kyber Network, 10% down, Redcoin down 5%, and Metaverse ETP, 5% down. Alright, so let's continue with the news. The news is about the CEO of Visa says crypto is not a big threat, but if needed, we will support it. This is a big change in their narrative. 6 months ago, in the December hike, they were really, like, don't do anything with cryptos, and now their narrative is that they're somewhere in the middle, that they're not doing anything, but if the need is there, they will do something. But more importantly is, the big names, Fidelity, Goldman Sachs, and Citigroup are already into this market. And so it's just a matter of time where Visa will also make its decision to enter the crypto market. All right, so the next news comes from actually BitGo, and BitGo, Kyber Network, and Republic Protocol are working on a asset-backed on Bitcoin, basically. So what it means, they are going to have a fully backed Bitcoin token on top of the Ethereum network. So you'll have the things like a smart contract, but it's backed by Bitcoin. So this is something they are working on, and it's going to called WBTC, Wrapped Bitcoin. And and of course there are some big names in the crypto world who are working at this. And the whole thing is this: it's not going to be like a stable coin, because that is something they looked at, but it's going to be proof of it's going to be full proof of reserves. So it's going to be verifiable directly on 2 blockchains, which are going to be most probably, and that's why Kyber Network is part of it, and that's why also BitGo as a custodian service is part of this project. Very interesting. Let's see how this is going to roll. All right, our next news comes from a Jeff Morrison Jr., who is basically Chapter One Ventures CEO, and he is based out of LA, and he has got a view on what is going to happen. Basically, in 2017 and 2018, we saw big dApps like CryptoKitties, Radar Relay, Blockfolio, and Paradigm, but after that, nothing really actually happened. So crypto needs, according to him, a killer app and a better sales pitch. It's been a rough time for a lot of projects because of the bearish market. People have been really thrown out of the market. But more importantly is that even the projects which are there, they need better usability. So he's all for like something like a Tinder kind of app. It doesn't have to be matching something, but the whole thing is this, that he is just crying out for a better usability and mass adoption of decentralized apps in their sales pitch. I couldn't agree with him more on this space. All right, this was the news for today. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe, and see us on bitcoinmagazine.nl. Have a good one.